Hello, my name is Heather Cabay, and I'm an Early Literacy Reading Specialist for the Houston ISD Reading Academy. Today, I will show you how to use a learning tool called Elkonin Boxes. Elkonin Boxes can be used to help students develop phonemic awareness by having them listen for individual sounds in words and identify those sounds within a separate box. For this activity, you will need an Elkonin box like this that includes the appropriate number of boxes for each phoneme or sound. You will also need counters like these to represent each phoneme. If you do not have counters like these, you can use other counters, coins, paper clips, or any other small object. Let's get started. As I say each sound in a word, I will slide a counter into a box. The first word is flat. I will move a counter for each phoneme or sound I hear in the word flat. F, L, A, T. There are 4 phonemes in the word flat, so I moved 4 counters. Let's try another one. The word is play. I will move a counter for each sound or phoneme I hear. P, L, A. There are 3 phonemes in the word play, so I moved 3 counters. Now let's try one together. Say the word shop. Move a counter for each sound in the word shop. Sh, a, p. Great job! We have 3 sounds in the word shop, so we moved 3 counters. It is important to remember, when using Elkonin boxes, focus on the sounds in the word and not the letters. Sound identification and manipulation is a critical skill for early readers. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to use Elkonin boxes with me.